Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 7.1 8th question. In a family of 3 children, what is the probability that there will be exactly 2 girls? Okay. Probability that the selected child is a girl. So if you take in a family, you will have a boy child as well as a girl child. So 2 choices are there. So in that you need only the girls. So we'll just declare that as P is equal to 1 by 2. So this 2 is boys and girls. So 2 option is there. And that we need only girls. So 1 divided by that whole option 2. Okay. So P will just name it as success. So now going to your failure, Q is equal to 1 minus P, which is equal to 1 minus this 1 by 2. You'll get it as cross multiplying 2 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to again 1 by 2 itself. So your P is also 1 by 2 and your Q is also 1 by 2. Now the number of children, it is given the children. So the number of children is equal to 3. So therefore n is equal to 3. Binomial distribution is your formula is P of x is equal to x. This is your capital X and this is your small x, which is equal to NCX P power x Q power n minus x. Now you will have to substitute all the values. It will be there on top. Okay, n will be there, x will be there, p will be there and q will be there. P is here, q is there, n is there, and x is the option what you will have to find it. Okay, therefore probability of, they've asked you exactly 2 girls. So probability that there will be exactly 2 girls. So which is equal to P of, they've asked you exactly 2 girls, so P of x is equal to 2. So now got all the values, just substitute it here. So P of x is equal to 2 is equal to NCX, n is here 3, C x is this 2. P power x, P is 1 by 2, power your x is this 2. And q power n minus x, q is 1 by 2, power n minus x, n is 3, minus your x is 2, which is equal to, we'll just convert this as combination, that is 3 into 2 terms are there, divided by this 2 into 1. And here this is 1 by 2 the whole power 2 as it is. And again 1 by 2 the whole power 3 minus 2, it will become 1. So which is equal to, you can cancel this 2 and 2, you get it as 3 into, this is 1 by 2 square become 4 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 into 1 into 1 you will get 1, 4 2s are 8. So 1 by 8. Therefore your final answer is 3 by 8, which is equal to 0.375. Hence the probability of that there will be exactly 2 girls is equal to this answer 0.375. So this is the answer for your 8th question. 9th question, defects in yarn manufactured by a local mill can be approximated by a distribution with a mean of 1.2 defects of every 6 meters of length. If lengths of 6 meter are to be inspected, find the probability of less than 2 defects. Okay, So they have given you mean straight away. So mean of 1.2. This is yarn manufacturing is a ball which is made with a thread. Okay, in a mill they are doing it. So the mean is here 1.2 and they are calculating for every 6 meters of length. And the length is also given. For us it is 6 meters only given for the inspection. Okay. Find the probability of less than 2 defects. We'll have to find it. And one more condition is given. Mean is here. They have given 1.2. So your mean formula is mean is equal to NP, which is equal to, they have given you 1.2. And your N is, they have given you 6 meters for your inspection. So N we can take it as that 6 meters. Okay, so N will become 6. Now substitute this N here. So NP is equal to 1.2. Now your N is 6 into P is equal to 1.2. Therefore your P is equal to 1.2 divided by 6. Cancelling, you'll get your 0.2. So you have got P is equal to 0.2. To find your Q, you know the formula, it is Q is equal to 1 minus P, which is equal to 1 minus your P is 0.2. Subtracting, you'll get 0.8. So that is your Q. Now your binomial distribution formula is, P of x is equal to x, this is your capital X and this is your small x, which is equal to NCX P power x Q power n minus x. So you'll have to substitute all the values in this formula. Okay, and they have given you probability of less than 2 defects only it is asked. Okay, so probability of less than 2 defects is equal to P of x is less than 2, which is equal to, so less than 2 you'll have to write the condition. Okay, so P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1. Now you'll have to substitute in your binomial distribution. All the values are here. N is here, P is here and Q is here. So you'll have to go to your substitution. Okay, so it is equal to, so P of x is equal to 0. NCX, N is your 6 here. So 6CX is 0. P power x, so P is here 0.2. So 0.2 power x is 0. Next is Q power n minus x. So Q is 0.8 power n minus x. N is 6 minus x is the 0. Plus, going to your second part, so P of x is equal to 1. So again substitute in this formula. So n is 6, so 6C1 you will get. So 6C1 P power x. Okay, so P is your 0.2. The whole power x is here 1, so put 1. Next is Q power n minus x. So Q is 0.8 power n minus x. N is 6 minus x is here 1, so put that 1 over there. Now going to your solving, 6C0, so you'll get it as NC0, we know the formula it is 1. So 6C0 will become 1, okay. So 1 into 0.2 power 0. So 0.2 power 0, anything to the power 0 will become 1. And into 0.8 power 6 minus 0, you'll get 6. Plus 6C1. We know the formula NC1 is equal to N. So you can use this formula. So instead of NC1 you'll get N. So here 6C1 is there. So we'll get 6 into the 0.2 power 1. I'll just write it as 0.2 itself. Into 0.8, the whole power 6 minus 1 will become 5. So now going to your solving. 1 into 0.8 power 6. So that is, you'll have to multiply your 0.8 6 times. Your answer will be 0.262144. You can use your calculator. Okay, plus. Now multiplying 6 into this 0.2 as it is. 0.8 the whole power 5. 0.8 you have to multiply 5 times. So if you multiply, your answer will be 0.32768. So which is equal to this first part as it is 0.262144 plus 6 into 0.2 into 0.32768. Your answer will be 0.393216. Now adding these two numbers, your final answer is 0.65536. Therefore, the probability of less than 2 defects is probability of less than 2 defects is 0.65536. So this is the answer for your 9th question.